Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time of stopping by, I say welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Join the growing family. To my old subscribers, I say thank you for all your support. I really appreciate them. So for this tie, I'm going to start off by marking my half length, which is 11 inches plus 1 inch allowance for joining. Then I went ahead to mark my shoulder measurement, which is 6 inches, 12 inches divided by 2, 6 inches. That same 6 inches is what I'm going to go down with for my armhole depth, and that's what I marked here. Then I went ahead to insert my bust measurement at the armhole line, and that's 25 inches divided by 4. And then I marked my waistline also. Then for my neckline, I marked 3 inches length and 3 inches width. That's 3 by 3, and I gave it a little curve to have a round neck, and there's all. Then for the shoulder slope, I went down by 1.1 inch. 1 inch for the shoulder slope, and that's all for the front bodies. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't leave today without subscribing. Thank you very much for all your support, for joining the family. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and share my videos to family and friends. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for all your support. Then for the back bodies, the only thing I did there is to insert my neckline measurement, which is 1.5 inches, then my zipper allowance, and that's all I did for the back. Then for the back bodies, I'm going to go up by 1 inch from the center back, and I'll slant it to meet the side back. This is way to enable me to avoid any rumpling of the back or any buffness for at the zipper allowance. Then for the gathers, I'm going to double my measurement because I do not want it to be too full. That's 25 inches divided by 2 plus times 2, that's 50 inches, and I'm going to mark the remaining part of the length. That's the total length, 27 inches minus 11 inches for the half length. Whatever that is remaining, I'm going to mark it plus 2 inches allowance for folding and joining. That's what I marked there, and I'm going to cut it out. Then for the smaller one, I marked 10 inches down. It's depending on how small you want it to look or how long you want it to look, and that's all I did for the other smaller step. Then for the sewing allowance, I'm going to go ahead to join my shoulder first, and this is it. Then with my fabric bias, I'm going to turn the neckline round, and also turn the armhole. And this is it after turning everything, the armhole and the neckline. Then I'm going to go ahead to hold my zipper allowance with pin to enable me to shape the two sides of the bodies for the joining of the gathers. So I'm going to go ahead to gather this the two down parts of the style, the small one and the big one, and then fold in the down part of it. So I decided to show a video on how I gather my fabric. So what I do is to run a loose thread on the fabric from the beginning to the end. Then I hold on to one of the threads. After sewing, you're going to have two. You hold on onto one of it, only one, and then start pulling it. That's how you gather your fabric. And this is it after gathering the two fabric to my length, the length of my waist. And then I went ahead to join the two together. This is just to keep it in place for me to join it to the upper bodice. And I'm going to go ahead to join this front facing front, and I'm going to go ahead to join it together, then attach my zipper allowance. And that's all I did for this style. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you very much for joining the family. Thanks for supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.